Hey guys, how's it going? This is another vlog. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. I've recently completed Holland Addy's R32 GTR with his wire tuck. And we just finished the car yesterday, loaded up on the trailer. Both of us only had like 3 hours of sleep. And now I'm heading out to the Husky gas station near the Edmonton highway. So I gotta wait there. I'm so freaking tired. Hey guys, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. We made it to Lloydminster. We got the BMW and the GTR here. And they're looking pretty good. And Andy's filling up the truck that I'm driving for them. And yeah, we're making really good time. Really good time. How's it going, guys? We got the booth all set up. My car right over there. This is kind of like in the middle of the show. 2 hours has passed already. It's been pretty good. We got the GTR here. We got this all written up and everything. We got the pictures done. We got a light that we zip tied to the engine bay because it's so freaking dark in here. Got that done. And yeah, this is the ECU Works booth. Got my display right there. Andy's just resting because it was a long day for him. But yeah, I am finally going to be walking around and looking at some cool cars and bumping into some friends. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the show. A really cool car here at the show. This is a tribute build Fast and Furious Paul Walker car, the Mitsubishi Eclipse. That's funny. I wonder if like the whole engine bay is just covered in blue wires. Just took a break from the show and I got a pretty cool thing to show you guys. So West Ed has one of the biggest malls in Canada, and Sean Teal, his car's just chilling here in the middle of the mall. Same with Mark Seto's right over there. And it's pretty cool that it's in the middle of the mall, as you can see. But I told Sean, it's like, it would be freaking hilarious if he just went in and had his keys and just hopped over the ropes, and he actually did it, so it's pretty funny. Okay, so it's the end of Driven, and my buddy Andy Holland Addy, and aka Garage Syndicate, he won Best in Class for his GTR.
Better put my Instagram name in there too.
Yeah, was it Skyline Andy?
Yeah, Skyline Andy R32.
Yeah, like, how do you feel right now? All that hard work, all those endless weeks.
The fact that we got the car together at 7:30 last night and it just won the show, crazy.
Now, all we're probably gonna load up the truck with the cars and empty it and go from there. Well, we're done the Driven show. We're gonna drive back home tomorrow. And we're just dropping off the trailer here tonight, so we could just like go to the hotel. And there's the award-winning skyline. Okay, Andy. And what do you think of like the driven show of like this Edmonton one for this year? What do you think?
I think the venue could have been a little bit better.
Okay.
Being in the underground parking lot, like a lot of the cars wouldn't have shown great.
Yeah, like we had a hard time of like lighting up his engine bay for the skyline because it was so dark, and the lighting was just terrible in there. It's like you were in a dungeon.
Anybody's cars.
Yeah, and yeah, it was so dark there, but
Overall, it was a good show.
yeah, it was pretty good. But yeah, guys, hope you guys liked the video, and congrats to Andy here. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.